Hi, you just finished your first class on campus and you're wondering, where am I going to hang out until my next class? Why not the library and Learning Commons? Now you may be thinking, I don't want to hang out in the library, I'm going to get shushed and it's going to be a quiet place. No, we've got a lot going on in here. In fact, we often have activities. Authors come in and talk, and we even had a flash mob in here one time to celebrate Banned Book Week. So it's really a fun place, but we have a lot more than just books in here. So I want to show you around. If you're on the main campus, you're going to come up the north stairs and through the red doors. So come on in and let's take a look around.
We have lots of computers with printing to black and white or color printers. We also have a copy machine and a scanner. With the scanner, you can save it to a flash drive or email the document to yourself. The first floor is our quiet floor, so if you need a quiet place to study, this is your place. We also have lots of study rooms where you can meet up with classmates to work on a project.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I was wondering if you guys just have books here, or...
Yeah, good question. We have a lot more than books. Actually, we check out electronic devices.
Oh.
We have Kindles and iPads available for checkout. So the Kindles are available for a 3-week checkout.
Okay.
And the iPads are available for a 2-week checkout.
Okay.
And with the Kindles, we just got 2 new Kindle Fire HD Accents. So
Oh,
you might
wow.
want to take a look at that.
Okay, wow.
And we also have laptops available for you to use.
Okay.
We've got 2 Macs and a bunch of PCs available for
Okay.
checkout.
So can I take those home, or do they...
Good question, yeah. So the laptops actually stay here in the library.
Okay.
For a 4-hour checkout.
Okay.
However, yes, you can absolutely take the Kindle and the iPad home.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So, another question. I'm having a lot of trouble with my anatomy class. Like, do you guys have anything that can help me out with that? Or...
Yes, we do, actually. We have a bunch of different anatomy models for
Okay.
students taking those kind of classes. So, we've got like this big arm here, an eyeball,
Perfect.
heart, lots of different kinds. We also
Perfect.
have biology microscopes and slides
Oh,
for the
okay.
biology students available for checkout. And all that stuff does stay in the library, but they're
Okay.
available for 2 hours at a time. So
Okay, perfect.
We've definitely got the resources available to help you with your anatomy class.
Awesome.
Hi, I was wondering if I could get some help with the paper that I'm looking for. I'm looking for some sources for it about, let's see, artificial intelligence and the threats that it poses to the United States. I was looking on Google, but I couldn't find very many good sources. Do you have suggestions?
Yes, we have databases that can really help you get to some peer-reviewed, some really good reputable articles. Why don't you come over here, sit down, and I'll show you how to search what we call the library links. That's our main search engine, but we can limit this to just articles. So what we're going to do is we're going to click articles, and then we're going to search for artificial intelligence. We're going to use a capital AND for and what that does, that's a Boolean operator that's going to let us limit it to threats, and another and to the United States. And then all we do is press go, and here are our search results. We have quite a few, and you'll notice the little peer-reviewed symbol right up here. This means the article's gone through that peer review process. So we could just click right here where it says view now. Maybe click on the full text so that you can actually see how the article appears in the journal. Over here on the right-hand side, we actually can even show you how to cite this article. Click on Cite. If you want APA, here's APA, but here's MLA down at the bottom. Just copy and paste this into your paper.
Oh, thank you so much. That's very helpful.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
One of the worst things that you can do when writing your papers is to plagiarize. In order to avoid plagiarism issues, you will want to cite your sources. There are many tools available to cite your sources, including print books as well as online resources. I'll show you now some of our online tools through the library.
Plagiarism is the idea of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them off as your own. When you are doing a research paper, you will need to cite and tell your reader where you brought in information from an outside source. So in order to cite something, if you visit the ACC Library's homepage and scroll down to the Cite It button, you will then be linked to lots of resources for citations. Some pieces on here describe about why you need to do citations, the difference between in-text and reference citations, and plagiarism at ACC. If you click on one of these different citing formats on the side, you will then have lots of tools about how to use cite, citation generators on the side over here, and then examples of citations.
You may be thinking, I don't have time to come to the library, or I live far from campus. That's okay. You can reach us by phone, email, through our Ask Academic 24-hour, 7-day-a-week chat service. You can book a librarian, either in person or through a WebEx appointment online. There are a variety of formats. We're here for you.
Many of the library's ebooks and articles can be accessed online 24 hours a day from on or off campus. First, you'll want to head to arapahoe.edu, then click on Library in the upper right corner. Next, you can choose to search library links for books and ebooks, or click on Articles and Databases for the list of databases we subscribe to. If you're off campus, you will be asked to enter your S number just to show that you're a current student, and that screen will look like this. The databases contain thousands of articles from newspapers, magazines, and scholarly journals. We pay for them so you don't have to. Very little of what we pay for can be found through Google, so check out some of our other tutorials or stop by the library to learn more about searching these valuable systems. Knowing how to find reliable information quickly is one of the most important skills you can build in college. Good luck with your research, and remember, we're here to help.